So what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In one of my previous videos I've shown you a website that I've personally used to actually make money online, really good consistent money online, which is texting or being a chat operator. I know that some of you guys have actually applied for positions with that company and not all of you have succeeded in becoming part of their workforce. Due to the fact is that because of the COVID virus, many people are actually looking for different ways online, and you will not be the only one that's actually going to apply for those jobs. So as soon as I actually bring these to your attention, these sites to your attention where you can make money online, I would urge you guys to actually go out and apply for them as soon as possible. So in today's video I'm going to show you 5+ sites that is very similar in nature and you can make more or less the same money. This is really great for those of you that have been affected severely by the COVID virus. We've taken away large portions of income in your homes, okay, and you can work as much as you want or as little as you want. Now I would like to put up a few disclaimers here. Some of these sites do not accept people from all countries, others do. The work also may not be just chat operating, it may require you to use your imagination, and some of these jobs are adult in nature. So those are a few of the things that you would need to keep in mind. Also, you need to put in the work to actually make real good money with these platforms. Let's get into this video. Get your pen and papers handy and I'll see you after the intro. If you are new to this channel and like videos about real ways to make money online with no clickbait and no fake earnings, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you can be alerted each time I upload a new video. And feel free to watch any of the older uploads as they all provide a lot of value that can actually help you make money online. So as I have mentioned, these methods work worldwide. Some of these sites may not accept people from all over the world, others do. But there are main languages that you may need to speak, such as a few European languages or maybe even South American languages, and English is possibly the most important one. You will be required to take a few tests with these people, so please make sure to read the questions, okay, carefully before you answer them. Do not rush with them, as you can lose the opportunity to make money with these guys. Okay, so the first one is going to be text21chat.com. As you can see the name right here. A simple Google search will also bring up these companies for you. Now they have different types of chat jobs. Okay, they also provide you with flexible working hours and you can work any day of the week. You get paid out if you can commit to sending at least 1,000 messages per month, and most of these platforms all pay more or less the same, which is 5 cents euro per message. Okay, the more work you get, the more clientele you actually get coming back to chatting with you on their platforms. Your pay can increase up to 13 cents euro a message. Okay, they have a number of work from home opportunities where you get text chat operators, okay, customer service agents, and adult phone operators. Okay, now the one that pays the most will obviously be the adult phone operators. Okay, so the second site I'm showing you is Text Kings. Okay, textkings.com. There is one that says Text Kings, but that is not a legit site. Okay, textkings.com is a legit site that takes on text chat operators and also phone operators. Okay, these are the languages in which they are currently looking for people. As you can see, these are the European languages which I've stated, and but as you can see, the English ones, they do not take from anywhere all over the world. They are very geography specific with English. Okay, also with some of the other ones. Okay, then they also pay you about 5 cents in euro per message. Okay, so one of these, this is the one that I've actually shown you in the past, is cloud workers. You can go back and check out this specific video on this. Okay, I will leave a link to it below in the description, or you can just click on my channel name, browse through the videos, and you will see it. Now this one has the potential to make you the most money, as it does have the largest clientele base of all the others. Okay, if you are going to put in the time with them, you will actually make a lot of money with these guys. And this is one of the websites that I've personally used. Okay, and I can really vouch for it. The more time you put in this website, the more money you can make. Just remember that if you do not want to do this long term, you do not have to, as the more clients you get, the more work you will be required to put in, as clients do come back specifically just to talk to you. So they will ask you to be there at certain times, and what will happen is, what happened for me is, I was awake mostly from midnight up until 10 a.m. or 12 midday the next day, and I had very little time for myself, but the money was good. Now another one is going to be Operador Chat. They mainly focus on recruiting people with Hispanic backgrounds, also English as a first language, but they also do more or less pay the same. Okay, and some of the workers get up to 35 cents a message, which is really high, but I doubt it's for a large majority of them. That could only be special workers who've been working with them for a very long time. As I've said before, that the more clientele you can keep on the platform, the more you will earn. The website name is operadorchat.com Australia. Okay, they have two offices, one in South America and one in Australia, and you can apply for any of these. Now another one is textmoderators.com. Okay, now these guys, they basically moderate some forums. They also got text chat operators. Okay, and they also got customer service agents positions available. Okay, you do not need any experience with these guys. You simply need to apply, receive a training on Skype, and start working. Okay, before I do forget to mention this, for almost all of these platforms you will need to have Skype, as they would want to talk to you in person and actually assess who you are in person to see if you are a good fit for the job. Do not worry, these calls are usually just about 2 to 5 minutes long, and they ask you very basic questions about yourself. Okay, that's all. You get paid weekly. You can work abroad if you want as well. Okay, and then the next one is going to be contentmods.com. This is also one of the sites that I actually applied for, and their rates are really good. Okay, they are more or less the same size in operations as cloud workers. Okay, but their tests are very difficult to pass. Now there are two types of chat moderators you can become with them as well, but once you actually get a job with them to become a text moderator, you can actually earn up to 16 euros an hour. It's not uncommon for others to earn up to 30 euros an hour, but that is dependent on the type of person that you are. As I said, you need to use your imagination, you need to engage with these people, okay, and you need to keep them on the platform for longer, but that will also be covered within your training. Okay, so the next one is going to be Malibu Operators, which is an American company, and they go very high out on a non-native speaking, especially Hispanic, and also English speaking people. Okay, make sure to read their freelance agreement confidentiality before you actually sign up with them, but the pay is also really good. Okay, you can get paid in different forms. You can cash out at 50 euros minimum. That's how they pay you in euros, because their operating offices are in the EU, and the money is also really great. Okay, you can also work any amount of hours you want, but they do also stipulate that you need to work at least a minimum set hours during the week, 6 days a week. Okay, that's one short from 7 days, from the 7 days that the cloud workers actually wants you to to do. So what you need to do is just Google MalibuOperators.com. And last but not least, this one is a bit different as it's an app and you would actually be working on your own. It's not something where you would actually get a lot of money from, but if you really try, you can. This is similar to apps like WhatsApp, messaging apps like WhatsApp. Now what happens is once you install the app, you need to add your contacts to this app, okay? And you every message you send them will be an ad. So every message delivered, you get 1 point. So if you are delivering 3 messages, or you get 3 messages from someone on the platform, okay, 300, sorry, that's $3, okay, $3. So one message is basically 1 cent. But I wouldn't recommend trying this method full time, okay. I would actually recommend that you try the other sites that I mentioned previously, because they do have the ability to make you some really good money online consistently. If you guys found this video helpful and information in this video helpful, please like this video. It does help this content get reached by other people on YouTube who need this type of information. If you have not yet done so, please subscribe, because a large majority of you do watch the videos but you do forget to subscribe. And also hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I bring some more useful information for you in the future. But that's all from me, guys. I will see you in the next one, and goodbye.